Hey guys, today we got an ARE TW series. Fits the 14 to 18 body style Chevy GMC trucks with the 8-foot bed. Specifically for the 15 to 19, 2500, 3500 with the 8-foot bed. It's kind of a charcoal gray in color. I think it was Iridium Effect is the color. It's a pretty decent shape. We don't have a lot of issues on this one here. A couple small chips right there. The top edge looked good. A little bit of dirt there, so that's gone. A couple chips right here on this edge there. It probably catches road debris occasionally. Small chip right there. Top looks good. Top edge looks good. Got a small scuff right here on the corner. This does have the F for Fiberglass. It is branded as a Fiberglass unit, but it's just an ARE rebranded unit. It's a chip right there on the edge. So Fiberglass just rebrands the ARE unit, says theirs. Half side sliders on the side. It is a TW, so it's a wedge model. Picture window in the front. So I have a small chip right there. It has a chip, and that goes into that scuff that's back there. So I'm not really sure what caused that, but I'm sure those went together. Paint looks good here. It does have a couple chips on the top there, and then right here. Looks good the rest of the way through. Bottom edge looks nice on the front. Picture window front. Paint looks good through here. Top and the top edge on this side look nice. Not seeing anything wrong here at all. Down through here on the back side looks nice. No paint damage there. Bottom edge looks good. Down through here. Pretty much looks like that whole bottom edge looks good, except for that one spot on the other side. Half side sliders on this side as well. And not seeing any paint right above the door, or paint damage right above the window. So that looks good as well. So back door is a single T-handle locking rear door. Not seeing any damage in the back here either. A little bit of that's probably tree sap. It's definitely not paint scratch. Opens up. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens on this side. It's got a small hole in the screen right there. Rest of it looks good. Don't see any holes in the screen anywhere else. Looks good. Doesn't look like it leaks anywhere. Of course, it is a fairly new unit, so really hasn't had time to develop leaks. Does have a couple holes in the screen right there. Bottom edge looks good. Or bottom edge. Bottom of the screen looks good. Serial number was built specifically for a 15 GMC 2500, I'm sorry, 16 GMC 2500, 3500 crew cab 8-foot bed. It is a TW series, TWF for Fiberglass, so it's a TW branded as Fiberglass. It is Iridium Effect is the color. Also does have a LED light. Whether it works or not, no idea. So there it is, with ARE TW series, branded as a Fiberglass. Fits the 15 to 19 Chevy GMC trucks with the 8-foot bed, 2500, 3500s. Should also make it fit then the 14 to 18 1500s with the 8-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. This can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased through us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck and you want to keep up to date what's coming in, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as the inventory comes in. So you want to subscribe below to keep up to date on that. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.